That's a good question. So if somebody comes in just for a mold evaluation and treatment, it's $195 for the evaluation, in which we identify the mold spore or spores or mycotoxins. And that is also, we also treat the patient. We give them their first treatment. That's all inclusive for $195.
Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
that seems like such value.
Yeah, yeah. It is.
Now, if they need other things, they
Yeah.
have other issues like dust.
Now, if they have other things, a lot of people have multiple inhalant allergies, and they often have chemical sensitivities and food allergies as well. If you're dealing with that kind of a situation, then I would recommend that we do a complete workup. And that complete workup, which includes food allergy testing, chemical allergy testing, all the inhalant allergy testing, is $345.
That's such value, folks. That's such value.
And subsequent office calls after that are $117. I should add, too, that when we're treating allergies, we typically do not have to use supplements, vitamins, minerals. The technique relies almost exclusively on the unique vibrational therapy that we do. It's a light therapy, which uses no-gear frequencies to normalize the energy fields of the human body. All of the organs, glands, tissues of the body, all the acupuncture meridian circuits are completely normalized during this treatment. It's an essential part of the treatment to do that, and it's part of the reason we're so successful and it's such a rapid acting technique.